Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make at least a minimum of 1000 naira daily anywhere in Nigeria. But before we go on, kindly hit the subscribe button below, put on your notifications so you can get more important and amazing updates from my channel. So today we're looking at nairaworkers.com. Just go on to this website, you register for a new account. For myself, I've already registered an account, so let me just sign in and show you how you can make a minimum of 1000 naira per day on this website. So here you go, this is how your dashboard should look like on nairaworkers.com. So this is it. Welcome seeker 95. So all you just need to do right there after this is you do not need to pay anything to register on this website. The moment you are here, just go on to perform simple task or small task. So this, when you click on this, it takes you to a place where you can see every amazing and important opportunities that you can use to earn money. So these are the available jobs on this website. So you see, you can follow someone on Instagram to earn 7 naira 50 kobo. You can download the Alex app and register only for 83 naira. You know, just look at them like that: 30 naira, 14 naira, 28 naira, 8 naira, 35. The cool thing about this app is you might think all of this money looks small to you, but believe me, by the time you calculate 28, 8, 35, 30, 40, all of it together, by the time you do most of this, that doesn't even take you up to 1 or 2 minutes. By the time you do all of them together, you can accumulate a total of 1000 naira or more. Look at now, there's some task of 150 naira, and there are tasks of 90 naira, there are tasks of 100 naira. And the good thing about all of this task is that you don't even need to spend a dime on any of these things, right? So you do not need, for instance, this is spam page, you just need to sign up only to earn 2000 naira, right? So you get 110 naira for signing up on Pampay. You do not need to put in any money, you do not need to invest anything. So if you find this cool, just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel below, hit the like button, and turn on notification for more important and amazing updates from us. Thank you for watching.